Today, we are diving into the exciting world of programming and exploring some of the hottest languages you should consider learning in 2024. Whether you are a complete beginner or a seasoned coder looking to expand your skill set, this video has something for you. First up, we have ever popular Python. This versatile and beginner-friendly language remains a top contender for several reasons. Readability. Python syntax is known for its clarity and resemblance to a natural language, making it easier to learn and understand, especially for newcomers to coding. Versatility. Python shines in various domains, including web development, data science, machine learning, and even automation scripting. This opens up a wide range of career and project possibilities. Strong community. Python boasts a massive and active community of developers around the world. This translates to an abundance of learning resources, tutorials, and forums to help you on your programming journey. Second language in my list is JavaScript. JavaScript is another powerhouse language that continues to dominate various aspects of the web. Here's why you should consider learning it. Being everywhere, JavaScript is the unbeatable language for creating interactive web elements, making it essential for building modern websites and web applications. Front-end and back-end. While traditionally known for front-end development, JavaScript frameworks like Node.js have extended its reach to back-end, offering full-stack development experience. Relatively easy to learn. While JavaScript has its complexities, its syntax shares similarities with other languages like Python, making it easier to pick up, especially if you learn coding before. Next language in the list is Java. Java is a long-standing champion in the programming world, and its relevance continues in 2024. Enterprise applications. Java is the go-to language for building large-scale enterprise applications due to its robust object-oriented features, security, and platform independence. Android development. If you are interested in mobile app development, especially for Android, Java is still a crucial language to learn, although Kotlin is gaining traction. Large community and resources. Similar to Python, Java benefits from a vast and supportive community, providing ample learning materials and support for beginners and experienced developers alike. Next programming language in my list is Kotlin. While Java remains strong, Kotlin is making significant waves in the mobile app development world. Official language for Android. Since 2017, Kotlin has become the official language for Android development alongside Java. Its concise and modern syntax makes it a popular choice for building efficient and user-friendly mobile apps. Interoperability with Java. Kotlin seamlessly integrates with existing Java code, making it easier for developers to transition from Java or adopt a mixed language approach in their projects. Growing popularity. The growing popularity of Kotlin translates to increasing demand for Kotlin developers, making it a valuable skill to have in your coding resume. Our final pick is Rust, a language gaining momentum for its unique feature and growing demand. Speed and performance. Rust is known for being incredibly fast and memory efficient, making it ideal for performance critical applications like system programming, game development, and embedded system. Memory safety. Rust enforces memory safety through its ownership system, prevented common memory related errors and crashes, which can be crucial for building reliable and secure software. Growing adoption. While not as widely used as other languages on this list, Rust is seeing increasing adoption in various domains, offering exciting careers opportunity for skilled developers. These are just 5 of the many amazing programming languages out there. Remember, the best language for you depends on your specific goals and interests. Explore, experiment, and keep learning. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more coding content. Until next time, happy coding.